Picture this. It's the winter. The wind is loud. The sky is dark. Everything outside looks asleep. But seated in the corner of your kitchen, glittering gently under warm light, is a tomato plant bursting with brilliant red fruit, fresh, sweet, sun-kissed even though the sun hasn't shown itself in days. Now picture yourself grabbing one of those tomatoes, cutting it open, and savoring something so crisp it seems like summer never left. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen, how to raise tomato even at home, even indoors, even throughout all year. Step 1. Pick the appropriate type. This is non-negotiable. Choosing the correct cultivar is one key to indoor tomatoes flourishing. Forget the big beefsteak tomatoes. Those are garden divas. Indoors, you want small plants that don't need all yard stretch out. Hunt for dwarf or plateau tomato species. Determinant kinds, they remain little. Cherry or grape tomatoes, they grow quickly and abundantly. Excellent options abound. Tiny Tim, Red Robin, Plateau Princess, Microtom. Golden Sweet is a very sweet yellow grape cultivar. These plants are ideal for indoor cultivation as they flourish in pots and remain manageable. Step 2. Your tomatoes need their own sun. Here's the facts. Most windows don't have the amount of sunshine tomato desire. Tomato want 8 to 12 hours of intense light. Therefore, you will need a growing light unless you door inside a diamond-encased greenhouse. Search for LED grow lights with full spectral, variable height, a timer feature because humans forget tomatoes do not forgive. Hang the grow light 6 to 12 inches over the upper leaves. Raise it as the plant develops. Should the plant be lean and tall, it is asking, indeed begging, for more sunlight. Step 3. Select the appropriate soil and container. Tomatoes despise little shoots. Leave their roots space. At least one dwarf type, 2 to 3 gallons. 5 gallons for bigger, inferior kinds. Ensure drainage holes in your pot. For soil, always use a premium potting mix rather than garden dirt. Include a little perlite or cocoa coir to improve alteration. Tomatoes need loose, airy soil to enable their roots to breathe. Step 4. Water as you truly mean. True tomatoes are theoretical but also fans, not sopping wet nor bone dry. They seek for continuous humidity. Your target, keep the soil lightly damp but not wet. Water well until extra drain out the base. Tomato despise fleeting commitment. Hence, avoid daily light watering. Use your finger as the sensor. It is time if the thought itch seems dry. Step 5. Give them frequently food. Teenager eating tomatoes. Use early on a balanced fertilizer. Change to a bloom fertilizer when flowers show up. Feed every 1 to 2 weeks depending on the label. Your plant is giving you a grocery list if the leaf appear pale or the flowers droop. Step 6. The portion no one tells you about: pollination. Outside, bees manage this. You are the bee within. Every day, simply shake the plant softly or tap the stalks. These encourage food production by moving the pollen. Though it seems absurd, your plant will love you for it. Step 7. Harvest and enjoy. Give your tomatoes a little twist, a yellow, orange depending on the kind when they become entirely red, they should simply pop off. The taste would be out of this world, particularly as compared to grocery store tomatoes picked green and aged on trucks. Subscribe, hit the like button and turn notification on so you never miss a fresh video. If you appreciate this guide and would want more step-by-step home gardening advice, happy growing!